Wood is one of the most versatile and durable materials used in furniture making. It is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, and it has been a popular choice for craftsmen for centuries. However, selecting the right type of wood for furniture making can be a daunting task. Different wood species have different properties and characteristics, and choosing the wrong type of wood can result in poor quality furniture. Therefore, it is essential to understand the properties of different wood species and how they can affect the quality and durability of furniture. In this video, we will unlock the secrets of wood selection and properties for perfect furniture making. We will explore the different types of wood used in furniture making and their characteristics, including their strength, density, and grain pattern. We will also delve into the different ways wood is processed and how it affects its properties. Additionally, we will look at the different finishing techniques that can be used to enhance the beauty and durability of furniture. Whether you are a professional furniture maker, understand wood selection basics. Understanding the basics of wood selection is crucial for achieving the perfect furniture making results. The right wood selection ensures that the final product is functional, durable, and aesthetically pleasing. The first step towards selecting the right wood is to understand the properties of different types of wood. Certain woods are denser and more durable than others, while others are more pliable and easier to shape. Additionally, wood grains and patterns can have a significant impact on the overall look of the furniture. Understanding these properties will help you choose the best wood for your project. It is also important to consider the environment in which the furniture will be used, as well as budget and availability when making your selection. By following these basic guidelines for wood selection, you can ensure that your furniture making project is a success and that the final product meets all of your expectations. 2. Know your wood species options. As a furniture maker, understanding the different wood species options available to you is essential to creating high-quality and durable pieces. Each species has its own unique properties, such as color, texture, grain, and density, which can impact the final outcome of your projects. Knowing your wood species options will allow you to choose the right wood for the job based on your desired aesthetic outcome, budget, and intended use. Some of the most popular wood species used in furniture making include ash, oak, maple, cherry, walnut, and mahogany. Each of these species has distinct characteristics, so it's essential to research and understand them to ensure you select the right wood for your. Additionally, understanding wood properties such as moisture content, stability, and hardness can help you make informed decisions about wood selection, ultimately resulting in a perfect furniture-making project. 3. Learn about wood grain patterns. When it comes to selecting the perfect wood for furniture making, understanding wood grain patterns is crucial. Wood grain refers to the unique growth pattern of the tree, which can have a significant impact on the final appearance and structural integrity of your furniture. The direction of the grain will determine how the wood responds to stress, how it will shrink or expand, and how it will accept finishes. Learning about wood grain patterns is essential to ensuring that you choose the right wood for your project and to making informed decisions about how to cut and shape the wood to achieve the desired result. By understanding the intricacies of the wood grain patterns, you can unlock the secrets of wood selection and properties and create furniture that is not only beautiful but also durable and long-lasting. 4. Assess wood moisture content. Assessing wood moisture content is an essential step in selecting the right wood for furniture making. Wood moisture content affects the strength, stability, and durability of the final product. Moisture content also determines how the wood will respond to changes in temperature and humidity over time. Accurately assess wood moisture content. A moisture meter is a necessary tool. Moisture meters are designed to measure the amount of moisture in wood, enabling woodworkers to choose the right wood for their specific project. It is recommended to check the moisture content of the wood at least twice. Once before purchasing and again after acclimating the wood to the workshop environment. This ensures that the wood is at the appropriate to achieve precision in woodworking. Measuring and marking tools are essential. Accurate measurements and markings ensure that pieces fit together precisely and that the project's final result is aesthetically pleasing. 6 essential measuring and marking tools for woodworking include a tape measure, combination square, marking gauge, sliding bevel, calipers, and a marking knife. A tape measure is a standard tool for measuring the length, width, and height of lumber and other materials. A combination square is used to check for squareness and measure angles. A marking gauge is used to mark parallel lines and cut lines. A sliding bevel is used to transfer angles and mark lines at an angle. Calipers can measure the thickness, diameter, and depth of a piece, and a marking knife creates precise cut lines. These 6 tools are essential for woodworking success, enabling precise measurements and markings that are crucial for the final project's quality. 7. Choosing the right sandpaper grits. When it comes to woodworking, choosing the right sandpaper grits is essential to achieving a smooth and polished finish. Sandpaper is available in a variety of grits, ranging from coarse to fine. Choosing the right grit depends on the type of wood and the level of finish you want to achieve. Grits such as 40/60 are ideal for removing rough edges or paint from wood surfaces. Medium grits such as 81/20 are suitable for removing scratches and smoothing out surfaces. Fine grits such as 200/2400 are ideal for final finishing touches and achieving a smooth, polished surface. It's important to note that using too fine a grit too soon can actually make the job take longer and produce a less desirable result. By choosing the right sandpaper grits for your woodworking project, you can unleash your creativity and achieve a professional-looking finish. 8. Power drills and their uses. Power drills are an essential tool for any woodworking enthusiast. They come in various sizes, shapes, and power levels and can be used for a wide range of tasks. With the right drill bit, a power drill can drill holes in wood, metal, and plastic, making it a versatile tool that can be used in different types of projects. A power drill is also useful when driving screws and other fasteners into wood, as it can quickly and easily deliver the needed torque for a secure hold. Additionally, some power drills come with features such as variable speed control and built-in levels, making them even more versatile and user-friendly. When used correctly, power drills can be a game changer in woodworking, helping you complete your projects more efficiently and with greater precision. 9. The benefits of a dust collector. One essential tool for any woodworking enthusiast is a dust collector. Not only does it help maintain a clean and organized workspace, but it also offers numerous benefits to both the woodworker and the environment. By capturing and filtering out harmful particles, such as sawdust and debris, a dust collector promotes a healthier and safer working environment. Additionally, the use of a dust collector can help prolong the life of your tools and equipment by preventing them from clogging or wearing down due to accumulated debris. Furthermore, a dust collector can also improve the overall quality of your work by minimizing the amount of dust and debris that settles on your finished products. In short, investing in a dust collector is a smart choice for any woodworking enthusiast looking to unleash their creativity in a safe and efficient manner. 10. Safety equipment for woodworking. One of the most important aspects of woodworking is safety. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, it is crucial to have the right safety equipment to protect yourself from harm. In this guide, we will cover the essential safety equipment for woodworking, including 10 must-have items that every woodworker should consider. From eye and ear protection to dust masks and safety gloves, these tools are designed to keep you safe and healthy while you unleash your creativity. By using the right safety equipment, you can enjoy the art of woodworking without putting yourself at risk. In conclusion, woodworking is a rewarding hobby that can lead to beautiful and fun